One Joe Beyond machine has been focusing on the research and manufacture of thermoforming equipment. The equipment adapts to PS, PET, PLA, and all related materials. It is widely used in food packaging, medical blister packaging, electronic inner support, and many other industries. Products are exported to more than 80 countries. Beyond provides turnkey solutions. Electricity saving. Full servo drive, with multi-section and zone heating. With a 600 by 500 mm forming area, it only consumes 8 to 10 kilowatts per hour. No wrinkles in molding. High dimensional accuracy. Strong stability, and a low failure rate. From heating, forming, and punching, to stacking, it is fully automatic and integrated. One machine completes the whole process.